us, co-producer from Kairos, and ladies and gentlemen, now is the moment that I am looking forward to sharing the stage with. और ये हैं actor, director, हम सब की रानी, Kangana Ranaut, ladies and gentlemen. Let me start off by asking you a very exciting question, और वो है ये कि मैंने सुना है कि launch जो है धमाल होने वाला है, क्योंकि ये film deserves a bigger than average launch. इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Absolutely. First of all, thank you very much for all of you all. You know, made the effort to come and witness our trailer launch. As you know, a lot of hard work has gone into making this movie, and really appreciate all of you all coming out and supporting this. Launch, yes, journey आज से शुरू हो रही है, but 25th January को हम लोग release कर रहे हैं. I'm proud to announce that we'll be looking to release in over 3,000 screens across 50 countries, and we've also just done a deal with IMAX, so this movie will also be on IMAX across the world.
Wow, absolutely stunning, deserving. कमल जी, आपसे एक सवाल जरूर पूछना चाहूंगी कि आपका जो टच है, especially when it comes to biopics, पिछली बार भी आपका जो हाथ था वो धोनी इस फिल्म पर था, और अब ये biopics के साथ कोई खास रिश्ता है जिसके बारे में आप बताना चाहेंगे?
First of all, thank you very much, everyone. Good afternoon. I think biopics are very close to everyone's heart because it's a human story, and whenever you touch human stories, they're definitely bound to be successful. So whatever you see on the biopic front, whichever biopics you all are successful. And Rani Lakshmibai, it is not a biopic alone. I would say it is a heartfelt tribute from all of us, the team Manikarnika, and it has been a wonderful experience of working on this film for the last 2 years. I would definitely like to thank Zee Studio because they have been a very, very strong pillar during all ups and downs. And the most important Kangana Ranaut ji, who is not only the actor but the director of the film. And I was only thinking when I started this film, I was only thinking there's only one actor who can perform this particular role, which is Kangana Ranaut. But when we started the film and we saw the way it was going on, and we had ups and downs, a lot of challenges and all that, and she voluntarily took the baton and she said, okay, I'll direct the film. And I was like thinking at that point in time, is it that we will be able to achieve it now? And what she has done is incredible. I mean, effortlessly she has been working for that 38 days. And not for one moment we felt that she is being directing for the first time, and all aspects of the direction. And in this film, whatever you can see here, it's definitely the hard work of course the entire team. I would thank each and every member of the team who have really worked hard tirelessly for the last 2 years. And most importantly, if you see in this film, the writers of these films, Mr. Vijayendra Prasad and Prasun Joshi, they are probably India's the finest writers. And when I met Vijayendra Prasad sir for the first time, sorry I'm taking a little 2 minutes extra because I just really want to express myself, So Mr. Vijayendra Prasad, when I met him for the first time, I said, sir, I really want to do this film. Then he said, no one else can write this film because my daughter's name is Manikarnika, and which is Vijayendra Prasad's daughter, Rajamouli's sister, she's Manikarnika. So I mean, that's that much love and affection he has for Manikarnika. So he wrote the film. Prasun Joshi sir, who's one of the finest lyricist and dialogue writer, he says, I will do the film. And when I met Shankar Ahsan Loy sir, Shankar sir said, Kamal ji, nobody else will do this film, only me, because this is a Deshbhakti film. And I remember on the Varanasi, when we were sitting on the breakfast table, you said very clearly that, this is only I'm doing this film. And what fabulous songs. We have got 7 songs in the film, and each and every song is extraordinary. You have already heard the lyrics of one of the songs, which is going to be iconic song of this year. So I think the whole team is extraordinary. We have Jishu, we have Suresh Oberoi ji, we have got Kulbhushan Kharbanda ji, we have got Ankita, we have got Unnati, we have got everyone, sorry, I'm just, Nita ji, all of them are here, and I'm thanking each and every HODs, each and every member of the team who have really worked so hard for the last 2 years, and we have really achieved what we wanted to achieve, It's what we have envisioned when we started, we have achieved that, And most importantly, I want to thank two most beautiful souls of my life, my wife Sona Jain and my daughter Vanavi, because they have seen the last 2 years, they have sacrificed a lot because I was not there along with them for the last 2 years. So it was really very, very emotional for me, and I would like to thank each and everyone, and once again, most importantly, Kangna ji, who has actually shot the film. So
Thank
without her,
you.
this was not
Thank you so
possible.
much.
Thank you very much, Kangna.
Thank you, Kamal ji. Kangna, I am so honored to share the stage with you again.
Thank you.
Personally, ये रानी लक्ष्मीबाई जो है हम सबकी प्रेरणा रह चुकी हैं, पर एक अलग जनरेशन को आप प्रेरित करेंगी, तो इसके लिए बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद। क्वीन तो आप थी ही, लेकिन अब क्वीन से रानी का जो तुलना है, ये जो पल्ला है, आपको लगता है रानी का पल्ला जो है थोड़ा सा भारी है?
Well, सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सबका बहुत बहुत ही धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी कि आप लोग इतने दूर आए हैं और हमारी इस जो हमारे लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल डे है, इसका आप एक हिस्सा बने हैं। और कविता जी जो लखनऊ से आई हैं, जिनकी मैं एक्चुअली इस पोएम ने मुझे बहुत प्रेरित किया है। मैंने फिल्म शुरू करने से पहले मुझे कमल जी ने फेसबुक लिंक भेजा था, तो मैंने जब ये सुनी पोएम तो मुझे काफ़ी इससे प्रेरणा मिली है। और तो मेरा सपना था कि जब हम ये फिल्म के बारे में कोई भी पहला इवेंट करें तो मैं कविता जी को बुलाऊं, तो इनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और हमारे लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल डे है। ऐसे तो फिल्मों के प्रोमोज आते रहते हैं, पर और सभी एक्टर शायद ऐसा कहते हैं उस दिन, लेकिन हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल है क्योंकि हम इस फिल्म के साथ में, ये फिल्म एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा ये जो सब्जेक्ट है ये जिंक्स है जैसे कि ये फिल्म पहले भी बहुत लोगों ने बनाने की कोशिश की थी, और इस फिल्म की जब मैंने पहले दिन शूटिंग की, मुझे लगता है कोई देवी शक्ति, मैं तो इस चीज़ में विश्वास करती हूँ, कोई देवी शक्ति है जो सच में खून मांगती है जो मैंने पहला दिन इसकी शूट की, तो मेरे सर पे मेरे जो बहुत अच्छे मित्र हैं निहार पांडे जी ने तलवार दे मारी और मुझे 20 टाके लगे। मेरी आंखें पूरी खून से कवर हो गई, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा था, एंड दैट वाज द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ माय शूट। और मेरे ये आईब्रो के बीच में हड्डी एक्सपोज हो गई थी पूरी। निहार, आई होप यू फीलिंग बैड। अभी भी तुम फील बैड नहीं करोगे तो पता नहीं कब करोगे। पर दिस वाज द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द शूट, सो आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि उसके बाद जो हमारे ऑब्स्टिकल्स हैं, घोड़े से लोगों का गिर जाना, 200-200 लोग आते थे, वो तो सिंपल थे, लेकिन ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि एक फिल्म के अभी आधी हुई हो और डायरेक्टर चले गए हो? वो भी हुआ। तो देन आई थिंक उसके बाद में everybody was contemplating कि अब क्या किया जाए, and we were looking at various options, you know, because अभी हमें फिल्म तो कंप्लीट करनी थी। Then Prasoon sir, I'll take his name first and foremost because I think the confidence that he showed, and he told the team कि let her do it because she will be the right person, and honestly I was not ready क्योंकि जब मैंने फिल्म शुरू की थी उस टाइम पे ये एक्शन हॉर्सेस, ये मेरे लिए आई वाज लाइक अ डक पैडलिंग बीनीथ द सरफेस। आई लुक्ड वेरी काम, बट मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा था एवरीथिंग, लाइक फ्रॉम एक्शन टू द पीरियड ड्रामा एंड द कॉस्ट्यूम्स। बट देन द होल टीम, चाहे विजेंद्र सर हो, चाहे I mean, I have to say Shankar sir, when as a director, I had the first meeting with him, he was so warm. I was very conscious, you know, because obviously there were a lot of things in the media as well, a lot of gossips and a lot of you know, sort of opposition about the fact, क्योंकि उनको नहीं पता कि अब अंदर की क्या बात है, so we can't, you know, that's not the time to go out and clarify things like that. But the whole team had been so warm to me, and I felt so confident. And then I think if I could achieve all these things, Mr. Goenka showed so much confidence in me. They've been absolutely warm and absolutely welcoming of the fact that a young girl like me, you know, who's going to take reins in her hands, and I don't know from where they had this confidence, and nobody pressurized me for this release date. Everybody said you do it with your own pace, and there is no pressure of release date. But I felt that this film should have that sentiment of, you know, जो हमको ये हमारी आज़ादी देके गए हैं, उनके लिए हमें वो भावना उस दिन, या तो स्वतंत्रता दिवस हो या तो गणतंत्र दिवस हो. This was my dream. So I took a lot of pressure on myself, but eventually I think Z team, and this was such a difficult task, my whole crew, my GOPs, there were 3 by the way on this film, you know, everyone, and Kamalji especially, he has been really very, very, I mean through all of this, we have seen some very vulnerable times together, but eventually we are very happy. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि अब इसको देख के हमें ऐसा लगता है कि कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी है, और ये ये फिल्म ऐसा नहीं है. This is a subject which cannot be indulgent for an individual. This is a subject which belongs to each one of us. So when I was doing it, I was doing like volunteering is the right word. जब कोई मुझ पे चिल्लाता भी था तो मैं भी यही कहती थी, I am volunteering for this job. So as a director, I felt that is the best way, because usually directing a film is a very personal experience. But because Rani Lakshmibai belongs to each one of us, and her legacy, we own each one of us. It had to be handled with a certain lack of indulgence and certain lack of sort of owning the subject, but rather than having it as a collective property or as a inheritance, so that is and I think now it belongs to all of you, and I'm very, very happy that I'm a part of this film. Thank you.
बहुत शुक्रिया. Of course, a couple of friends जिनको हम मंच पर बुलाना चाहते हैं. जी हाँ. A couple of people जिनको मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी, because the cast is actually a little wider than what we have on the stage. So please मुझे माफ कीजिएगा. सबसे पहले हम शुरू करना चाहेंगे राइटर साहब विजेंद्र प्रसाद जी के साथ. Sir, could I please request you to come on stage? जैसे कि उन्होंने कहा कि अगर नेशनलिस्ट फर्वर है इस फिल्म का तो म्यूजिक शंकर एहसान लॉय ही दे सकते हैं. I'd like to request them to kindly come up on the stage. She shares her birthday with me tomorrow and she looks fabulous in the trailer. Ankita Lokhande के लिए जोरदार तालियां and a warm welcome on the stage. इसी के साथ साथ जिशु सेन गुप्ता जी, आपको भी मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी स्टेज पर आ जाएं. Thank you so much for joining us today. Mishti, hi, would you kindly join us on the stage? Thank you so much.
No. Okay, I'm Neha Reddy from Hyderabad, ABN Andhra Jyoti. It was a great moment, Kangna, that after seeing a trailer, really being a woman, I want to stand and give you a great, just want to do something, like a clap or something.
Thank you so much.
Big congratulations, really. It's a proud moment. Ma'am, we are very happy that this movie is coming in Telugu also. So after this, what next? Can we see Kangna ma'am working more for Telugu movies and she can be a director? And we are happy that as a director also we want to see you in more projects. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I was telling my sister yesterday that, I don't know what is it about me that I really love working as a technician. No actors want to be out in the sun as opposed to be in the AC van. No actors want to be among sweaty 80 people who are asking you, 100 questions. No actors want to be doing recce when you can simply be in your luxury suite. I don't know what is it about me that I'm so comfortable in this job that there is nothing I love more than directing. Even though I don't get to wear makeup, even though I sort of don't look like my star self, I don't get no special treatment. And it is absolutely a worker's life, to be honest. But there is something so amazing about this job that I don't know why do people even consider it a job. It is just so much fun. I mean, I think acting is more like a job, but directing is just like having fun. I hope I get more chance to do this, and I hope I continue doing this, and this seems like my first love.
And it's a dream come true, because always you were wanting to do this role. I know for 4-5 years there was in your mind. So dream come true?
Yeah, so like I said, a lot of people tried to make it, and before Kamalji, there was another producer who had come to me. I worked on that script for 2 years as well, and then we didn't get a producer with that director, and that didn't materialize. So I've had a series of setbacks with this. So see, eventually, that's why I said today is really a special day, because we've made it.
Before the next question, can I please invite Nishant to join us on the stage? Thanks, Nishant. Thank you. Yes, our next question, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Jaideep, और हम चंडीगढ़ से आए हैं. पंजाब में बचपन से ही शहादत और बहादुरी की कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती हैं, जैसे गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी. तो ऐसी कई स्टोरीज हैं जो हमें इंस्पायर करती हैं. अगर रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की बात करें तो इस फिल्म से पहले आप कितना लक्ष्मीबाई को जानती थी, उनके बारे में क्या समझ थी आपकी, और फिल्म के बाद क्या सीखा, किस तरह का आपका परसेप्शन है वो डेवलप हुआ?
आई थिंक ऐसा कुछ खास फिल्म के बाद सीखा नहीं है, क्योंकि उनके फोकलोर्स इतने ज़्यादा वो थे। मेरा हर एक डिपार्टमेंट को यही ब्रीफ होता था, चाहे कॉस्ट्यूम हो, चाहे म्यूज़िक हो, चाहे वो भी हो, कि जो उनकी लेगेसी है वी जस्ट हैव टू मैच अप टू दैट, क्योंकि इट इज़ टू लार्जर देन लाइफ, नथिंग इज़ गुड इनफ, यू नो, क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा उनका जो हीरोइज्म के जो किस्से हैं, चाहे वो फोर्ट से जो जंप मारना घोड़े पे, उसको करते करते हमको नानी याद आ गई, सच में ही नानी याद आ गई, बिकॉज वो फोर्ट से इतनी ऊंची दीवार से बच्चा पीछे बांध के जंप किया, वेदर हर एक्शन, it just seems that nothing is good enough, जितनी उनकी इमेज है, so I think even if we live up to the image, it's good enough.
हेलो कंगना, on your left जी। जैसे ये फिल्म का एक डायरेक्टर जो होता है वो फिल्म का कैप्टन होता है, कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप होता है। तो ये फिल्म शुरू में जब हम लोग मिले थे तो क्रिश डायरेक्ट कर रहे थे, बाद में आपने उसको कंटिन्यू किया, तो एक विजन जो था उसको आगे बढ़ाना कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा, क्योंकि एक विजन के साथ फिल्म चल रही थी, फिर आपने उसको आगे बढ़ाया। एंड कमल जी, ऐसा मतलब क्या हुआ कि कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप ही फिल्म छोड़ करके चले गए, या उस बीच में जैसे चले गए?
ऐसा नहीं था कि वो बीच में छोड़ के चले गए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, बट बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंड इज कि उनके पहले से कमिटमेंट थे दूसरी फिल्म के, जो कि वो भी शूट कर रहे हैं, एंड NTR की बायोपिक, और दिस फिल्म हैज़ टेकन मोर टाइम देन व्हाट वी एंटिसिपेटेड अर्लियर, so he had no time, so he had to go for the other film, and at that point in time when we saw the edit, we thought, okay, this definitely it's a very good edit, but we always wanted 10 on 10 because this is Rani Lakshmibai, you can't compromise on this, it's once in a lifetime you're making this film. So we thought that we will definitely want to reshoot few things, we want to shoot more, we want to do
As far as the creative aspect is concerned, I think I would really like to give credit to the writers who the script never changed from the day one. When Vijender sir narrated the script to me in my house, I was clapping and I was absolutely exhilarated with what he had narrated. So I just had to take their vision forward, which I could interpret, because I think after this, I think 60 to 70% film is what I have shot. So it's not that I had to take somebody's vision forward. I can have my own vision with the material that I was given, which was always the same. So I didn't see any obstacle like that, but yes, it is definitely much more difficult to step into somebody's shoes rather than doing your thing from the beginning. It is definitely, I think if I direct a film again, that will be much easier than this one for sure.
Kangna, hi, I have two questions. One is, I'm Pankaj from Urban Nation. One is, how difficult or easy was it to direct your own self in your first film? And the other bit is, this is a female, a film with a female lead, and it is releasing on a festival day, and it has that patriotic feel, and you are also directing and acting in it. So how is that? I mean, how are you feeling? Are you nervous, excited?
Well, I'm absolutely excited, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने इस फिल्म पे इतने सालों तक काम किया है, and it is a bit difficult not to be directing yourself, but इतने सारे costumes के साथ में और ज्वेलरी के साथ में मुझे हमेशा मॉनिटर से भाग के एक्टर्स के पास वापस से मॉनिटर के पास, so वो मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता था कि मुझे इतने सारे कपड़े पहन के डायरेक्शन करनी पड़ रही है। बाकी अदर देन दैट, इफ फिजिकली इट वाज नॉट इनकन्वीनियंट, इट वुड हैव बीन एब्सोल्युटली ग्रेटिफाइंग, बट इट वाज ग्रेटिफाइंग इंडीड. But like I said, those physical obstacles were the probably only thing, where hair and all of that, and you're directing and you're sweating and everything is just sort of falling apart, and you're running to 10 actors to give 10 instructions. That was the most testing part. Other than that, I think I had really amazing cast, always laughing, joking and having fun, so that was really nice.
And about having the release on the Republic Day? About releasing the thing on Republic Day and
that was something that I have sort of had that ambition that I wanted to come on this day. For that, I have driven everybody nuts. Ask Kamalji, the VFX team, they are, it's literally like a battleground in the VFX studios. And Sharik sir, they all know I've driven everyone nuts for this date because we could have done everything with a lot more ease. But then, literally, we were literally ghode pe the. So, that's all. Any other question for cast members? The last two questions we'll take for cast members.
सुरेश जी.
जी. Hello.
Yes.
Ankita, you're towards your left, straight, just here. Ankita, you were supposed to make your debut with Mr. Bansali's movie and now this movie. Both have a same vision in terms of grandeur. How has been the experience of working on this movie, and do you think it's a perfect Bollywood debut for you?
First of all, thank you, Kamal sir, for this. This is my debut and I'm super excited. I'm super nervous too. And this is something, whatever is happening right now, it's something very new for me. So, Kangna and Kamal sir, thank you for this journey and thank you for this trailer and thank you for everything. But yes, मतलब जहाँ तक आपका सवाल है, संजय सर के साथ डेब्यू का मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन I was about to do a film with him. और जहाँ तक कंपैरिजन करें मणिकर्णिका एंड जो भी संजय सर का जो रहता है, I think I don't know if there is any kind of a thing which is perfect debut. It's up to you. जो आप करते हो उस फिल्म में वो आपके लिए perfect होता है. So in this film, whatever I have got, I gave my best, and I think I have got the bestest from Kamal sir and Kangna. She has directed me, and that's the most beautiful thing. So I'm really thankful for everything. That's it.
Kangna, firstly, congratulations for the trailer and your debut as a director as well. Your movie is seen as one of the most awaited movies of 2019. The movie would be clashing with Super 30 and Cheat India. What are your thoughts on Clash?
I think
So I think right now Cheat India is announced. We don't know about the status of Super 30, but we truly believe in the product that we have created and spent a lot of sleepless nights and a lot of hard work on it. And the film will stand on its own merit. I mean, really, whether it's one film we come against or 10 other films, we really are playing this on front foot. As I said, it's it's going to be a massive release, and we wish the best to all the films which are releasing on that day. But we are extremely confident of our own film.
ये मेरा प्रश्न सुरेश जी से है.
जी.
आपका मैंने थोड़ी झलक जो देखी इसमें तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो जब आप नए जनरेशन के साथ काम करते हैं तो आपको कैसा लगता है? हाउ यू फील?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ही नहीं कि मैं 18 साल के बाद वापस स्क्रीन को स्टेज कैमरा को फेस किया. मैंने काम बंद कर दिया था 18 साल के लिए, लेकिन जब कमल जैन आए तो मैंने कहा टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ सच अ ग्रेट फिल्म, इट विल बी एन ऑनर. और मेरी सिर्फ मैं यही चाहूँगा कि आज की जनरेशन झांसी की रानी को ना भूले और सब लोग ये देखें और पिक्चर हिट हो. मेरी दुआ है.
कंगना, आपसे सवाल है कि जो
last question we are taking.
No, I have a question. I have a question
बॉलीवुड में जिस तरह से
one sec. Could you repeat your question, please?
बॉलीवुड में भी आप एक झांसी की रानी मानी जाती हैं. हर समय आपने जो भी मुद्दे रहे हैं खुल के उस पर स्टैंड लिया है. आपकी हम पूरी जर्नी देखते आए हैं और हम इस चीज़ को बहुत अप्रिशिएट भी करते हैं. आप काफ़ी हमारे लिए भी एडमायरेबल हैं. तो आप अपनी पूरी जर्नी को और इस बात से कितना आप खुद इत्तेफाक रखती हैं कि जो भी हर्डल्स आए हैं आपने हमेशा उसका सामना किया है?
मैं बहुत ही फॉर्चुनेट हूँ अगर आपने मुझे झांसी की रानी से कंपेयर किया है. मैं बस ये सोचती हूँ कि शायद मेरे जो संघर्ष, एक्चुअली मेरे मम्मी पापा आज यहाँ पे हैं. मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि मम्मी पापा ने मुझे पैदा क्यों किया है, लेकिन आज मुझे लग रहा है कि नहीं, कुछ मतलब रहा है मेरे पैदा होने का. सो आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू फाइंड लाइक अदर देन रेगुलर लाइफ प्रोसेस एक्टिविटीज़, ईटिंग, स्लीपिंग, रिप्रोड्यूसिंग, आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि मुझे क्यों पैदा किया मेरे माँ बाप ने. तो आज मैं अपने माँ बाप का बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ कि आप लोगों ने मुझे जन्म दिया, क्योंकि मुझे अब लग रहा है कि मेरी ज़िंदगी का कुछ मायने है.
बहुत शुक्रिया कंगना जी
Kangana,
once again. Sorry,
Kangana
before we
just-
go ahead with your question, could we please hear from the music directors of this film, Shankar Ehsaan Loy? पहले तो जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए because I'm a huge fan, as is Hindustan. So a couple of words about the soundtrack.
Actually, you know, I can talk about the music, but that we'll talk about later. First, thank you to all the guiding lights, Kangana, Krish, Kamal Jain, and Prasun Joshi, for putting us in the right direction for composing this music. We were kind of like a little flustered when we heard that the director, Krish, couldn't complete the film. But then I must say this as a personal feeling. When we went for the first meeting with Kangana, she was sitting there and she was briefing the graphics people, she was briefing the entire team. And that's when I saw that here's a woman who's totally in control, just like the Queen herself. And that gave us such a warm feeling that this is going to be a lot of fun, you know, composing the music, the further composing of the music for this film. And it's completely apparent when you see it on screen. You know, I think we're very, very proud of it. This is one of those albums where we listen to it and we say we're really happy with every song on this album. So thank you very much.
And before we hand over the mic, of course, Jishu, आपसे हम जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे. For all your fans, you have to talk about your experience of Manikarnika.
I don't know what to say. I'm just too proud to be a part of this film, and thanks to Kamal Jain, thanks to Kangana, and I had great shooting experiences while I was shooting for this film. Traveled for 48, 49 hours and come to the set, taking 3 flights, coming to the set. But I enjoyed every bit of it. And thank you again, Kangana. Thank you so much for trust.
Italian accent, or in Raja's clothes, English accent and Italian accent, and always making a parody of our film. Always doing that. So he was the naughtiest of the bunch.
And she was the partner in crime also.
No,
yeah.
I was directing. No.
But thank you so much, Kangana, for trusting me, and thank you, Kamalji, for trusting me, and thank you, Zee Studio, for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this history. That's all. Thank you.
I have a question for Mr. Vijayendra Prasad.
And that'll be our last question for today, actually.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Taruna from TV9 Hyderabad. My question would be, sir, we have seen you working for Bahubali. We have seen you personally. And when you were narrating this to Kangana, can you describe her expressions and what was the input? Sir, matladandi. Yeah, please. Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes. So my question would be, you had written Bahubali so well and now we are seeing this. So when you were narrating the story to Kangana, what was her expression? She said she was clapping. And what was her feeling and how could you tell her, yes, you are the Jhansi Ki Rani?
I can narrate my experience when I first narrated the story to her. Actually, I saw my daughter there because my daughter's name is Manikarnika. Jhansi Lakshmibai name is Manikarnika also to start with. She was literally, I was a little apprehensive because people said she's so, adamant, she is very quick to anger and all those things. But okay. But still, when I started narrating, she was literally jumping like a small girl, smaller kid. With the excitement, she was, I couldn't believe my eyes. She said, wow, wow, wow. She was clapping, she's clapping, she's clapping. She's clapping all the way, laughing, clapping, laughing, clapping. Thank God, I said to myself. That was my experience, my first experience with her.
Thank you. Kangana, what do you have to say?
Yeah, when Sir came and I was literally jumping and doing CT and all of that because he writes clap moments and I'm an aspirational writer. So I told Sir that I also want to learn writing. So Sir told me writing is simple. 9 clap moment before interval, 9 clap moment after interval. Wow. So he was narrating clap moment after clap moment and I was jumping, like he said, like a little girl. And I'm so fortunate to be working with Vijayendra Sir and Prasoon Sir, both of them on this film. And as a director, I've co-directed with Chris. As for me to have this team as this first-timer director, I feel like I'm the luckiest person, and however things turn out to be, I'm very fortunate and grateful for being here today. Thank you.
Thank you so
Okay,
much,
so
all the audience.
We are wrapping this session with
Yes.
Shankar sir's 4 lines.
4 lines, yes.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Okay, a little sneak peek into one of our favorite songs from the album. And I'm missing Prasoon here today. Just amazing lyrics he's written and done an amazing job for this milestone of a film.
you.